Hey, fellow Wolvians and YouTubers, your boy the Bad Wolf here to bring you some more information. All right, so this particular video is going to be about certificates of non-citizen nationality. Okay, now if you look behind me, we're on the Travel State Department, GOV's, online website where they issue the passports. You find all the information about them. One of the people who I was working with were denied because they didn't fill out the paperwork properly and send it to the right place. And one of the reasons they were technically denied, not officially denied, was because they were saying, oh, well, you were born in your state, and so that makes you a United States citizen. Okay. Now, either that low-level functionary didn't know, or they knew and they were just trying to BS this particular person. But when I asked that particular person, hey, haven't you been to their website where they issue certificates of non-citizen nationality? And she was like, yeah, which is right behind me on this particular page. So what you have to do is Google certificates of non-citizen nationality, Department of State Travel, GOV, and you'll find it. Okay. So it begins by saying the Department of State occasionally receives requests for certificates of non-citizen national status pursuant to Section 34(1)(b) of the Immigration and Nationality Act, INA 8 U.S.C. 1452b. Okay. As defined by the INA, all U.S. citizens are U.S. nationals, but only a relatively small number of persons acquire U.S. nationality without becoming U.S. citizens. And then they go on to give their sections, etc. Now, what they're basically saying is what I've always told you guys, and this is for all those people out there who didn't believe me and said that there's no such thing, we're all one citizen, blah, blah, blah. Not according to their own website, okay? I know she's never going to watch this, but this specifically is for Sherry. And so in here, it says that basically all of us who are born within the 50 states, legal physical boundary, you are a state citizen, born, given it right at birth. Then our parents, usually the mother applies for your birth certificate. Now you're given a certificate of live birth from the hospital, but to get your birth certificate, they take that form, your certificate of live birth or your COLB, and then they issue you a birth certificate. That's where the bond begins. That's where they begin to have their federal jurisdiction and control over you. And you've just been entered into being a 14th Amendment citizen without your knowledge, will, say so, anything. Okay? So here, they're talking about that they do sometimes issue these certificates. Now, from what I've been able to find out, they don't issue them a whole lot or very often. Because they don't want you to know and to be able to declare that you are such. Okay, so let's go on and read here. A person owing as defined by all INA, all U.S. citizens are U.S. nationals, but only a relatively small number of persons acquire U.S. nationality without becoming U.S. citizens. Section whatever, blah, blah, blah. What is the term of a national? The term national is a person owing allegiance to a specific state. Okay. The INA provides that the term national of the United States includes all U.S. citizens as well as persons who, though not citizens of the United States, owe permanent allegiance to the United States, non-citizen nationals. Okay? Then they go through some gobbledygook to try to, snow you over. Yaze. Pertinent sections of law on non-citizen nationality. Section 341 of Immigration and Nationality Act. A person who claims to be a national but not a citizen of the United States may apply to the Secretary of State for a certificate of non-citizen national status. Upon one, proof of satisfaction to the Secretary of State that the applicant is a national but not a citizen of the United States, or two, in the case of a non-citizen national born outside of the United States or its outlying possessions, taking and subscribing before an immigration officer within the United States of its outlying possessions to the oath of allegiance required of an application for naturalization. The term national means a person owing allegiance to a state. The term state includes the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, Guam, because that's where the United States actually owns physical land. Okay, Section 308 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. Unless otherwise provided in Section 301 of this title, the following shall be nationals, but not citizens of the United States at birth. Number 1, a person born in an outlying possession of the United States on or after the date of formal acquisition of such. So what does that mean? Well, you were born in the United States, okay, on or after the date of formal acquisition. Everybody born here. I think most of the people who some of this wouldn't apply to aren't even alive anymore. Okay, so otherwise, 2, a person born outside the United States and its outlying possessions of parents, both whom are nationals but not citizens of the United States. So you can be a national of the United States is what you want to really apply for, not a citizen of. Because anytime you mention that you're a citizen, that's basically where they're going to get you. And have had residence in the United States. Okay. Once again, they use the word residence. That kind of pulls you back into jurisdiction, so you want to stay away from that. So stay away from anything, basically, that says citizen. Okay. So, yeah, if you were born here in your particular state, and you've got your certificate of live birth, it says the state you were born in, you are a national of all the states. Okay? But now we get to the last part here, Section 302 of Public Law 94-241. Any person who becomes a citizen of the United States solely by virtue of the provisions in Section 301 applying to those born in or residing in the Northern Mariana Islands may within 6 months after the effective date of that section or within 6 months after reaching the age of 18, whichever is later, become a national but not a citizen of the United States by making a declaration under oath before any court established by the Constitution or laws of the United States. Okay, so either you have to find a constitutional court, like Supreme Court or something like that, or laws of the United States, or any other court of record in the Commonwealth. So probably like also that would apply to a notary, or a court of record in the Commonwealth, in the form of, so basically you would make this pledge on paper, get it notarized, either Supreme Court, record of the court, notary seems to work, Commonwealth, in the form of you would state your name or type this all up and then sign for it. Being duly sworn, hereby declare my intention to be a national but not a citizen of the United States. There you have it, people. Multiple different statuses underneath citizenship or nationals. Okay, so your 14th Amendment, your non-citizen national, your non-resident aliens, okay, resident aliens, these are all their terms. So that is how you become a national. Another way, you just make your sworn, it's basically like doing a declaration of status, okay, which is one of the things I have in my explanatory statement. So there it is. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Enjoy yourself. Have a good day. Have a good dinner. Have a good life. Enjoy it. Appreciate yous. That's it. I got a couple more videos to make, and then I'm off to relax because, well, tomorrow's Monday, and we got work to do. So talk to you later. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe. Check out the offers and stuff down below. I'm working on a new channel that'll be down there. I think it says top offers or something like that right now. That's where I'm going to make videos and put in there for people who want to buy certain products and things of that nature. So look for that coming soon. I just have 1 or 2 backup videos in there for now. I'm going to remove those and put the real ones in there. when the time comes. So thank you guys for your support. We're climbing in numbers. Looks good, doing decent. So, hey, keep up the good work. Keep spreading the word. I appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Take care.